Hello, this is your channel Sosa NASA 1 in English. I am the electromechanic engineer Emmanuel, and now I'm going to show you how can you test this capacitor using this digital multimeter. This is a basic digital multimeter, and now I'm going to show you how to use this to test this. Very easy. But before, let's to know about this capacitor. This is a fan capacitor. The fan uses this capacitor to work correctly. If the capacitor is bad, the fan won't work correctly. Therefore, it's very important to know how to test this capacitor using a digital multimeter like this. The first step is very easy. Turn on here, and now choose this mode, continuity mode. This mode is for test continuity. Choose the mode, moving this selector in this position. This mode is for know if this line and this line are touching each other inside the capacitor. If this happens, this means this capacitor is damaged. It's not good in that case. But if we connect the digital multimeter to this capacitor and the digital multimeter continue in this state, I mean with this number 1 in this position, this means the capacitor is good. Now let's start with this test. This is very easy. The first step is discharge the capacitor, touch this line with this line in this way. Touch in this way. Okay. Now it's safe touch with my finger these two lines. Now 2 is safe. Connect the digital multimeter to the capacitor. Now take this line and connect this here. Okay, now connect the other line to the digital multimeter in this way. Perfect. And now watch the digital multimeter. In this case, we don't have continuity. This means these two lines are not touching each other inside the capacitor. This means we have a deviation inside. This means this capacitor is good, is working correctly, because we don't have continuity between this line and this line. Now put this in the original position and turn off and disconnect the capacitor. Okay. And in this way, we can test this capacitor using a digital multimeter like this. This is all for today. Subscribe in our channel, give me a like. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Subscribe to our channel Sosa NASA 1 in English and activate the notification bell to receive the notification every Saturday of new videos.